Welcome to our how-to series, how to create a website for your business. First, go to the button on the top right hand corner, go to your dashboard, and click the button called Create Your Own Company Website. You'll then need to register your website's name. Add this to the white box. And agree to our terms and conditions. And click Save. Sourcing Machine is now setting up your new website. You now have access to your website through a control panel. Type in your username and password, the one you normally use to access Sourcing Machine. You now have all the tools you need to build your own website. Thank you for watching.